How to configure center ages, ratios, schools, and transport groups. In this video, we'll show you how to define ages, configure ratios, and add schools and transport groups to each of the centers in your organization. Start by choosing the applicable center you wish to configure. Click on General to find 4 categories for input. The center's basic information is read only. This section includes information you've previously entered in the Setup module under each individual center. The next focus is on ages. In the Ages section, input the different age groups your center caters to, aligning with licensing regulations. For example, infants aged 12 to 18 months. Use the plus sign to add new age categories. To delete a category, click the triple dot menu and select Delete. Age categories can be specific by months or generalized by grade. Examples include infants, toddlers, preschool, and pre-K, defined by age range. Kindergarten and out-of-school care are based on grade levels, like kindergarten or grades 1 to 6. To modify any age group details, expand the section and adjust the name, age type, and range type, either by age or grade. The question mark icon provides more information about these settings. Age groups are foundational for your centers, forming the basis for rates, programs, and registration rules. Another crucial element is the ratio rules. To configure these rules, click the Team Ratio Rules menu, add a new ratio with the plus sign, or delete one using the options provided. You'll find the ratio name and applicable age group here. This group corresponds to the age categories you've already set up, and you can specify which age the ratio applies to. Select the license type, such as preschool or daycare. License types options available will vary based on your state or province, affecting how ratios are applied. Next, define your standard ratio by determining the number of children per staff member required for that age. Next, enter the napping ratio here, which often differs from the standard ratio depending on your state or province. Then define your maximum group or team size. For instance, infants in this example have a maximum group size of 8 children, requiring a 1:4 staff ratio. This means 2 staff members for every 8 children, a concept known as max group size or max team size. The final section covers schools and transport. In this section, add schools you transport children to on the left and manage transport groups on the right. Even if you don't transport, you can track which school a child belongs to. To add a new school, click the plus sign. To delete, select the checkbox and use the triple dot menu. Duplication options are also available. To edit a school, simply expand its details and make the necessary changes. When adding or editing a school, ensure the name and serviced grades are included. Address and phone information are optional. The availability setting determines if a school can be registered for. If unavailable, it won't appear for parents or staff during registration. Toggle on the specific school for registration or disable it if it's only for informational purposes and not linked to any program. Transport groups help organize children for attendance and reporting. They allow grouping based on transport runs. For example, children from various schools and grades may ride the morning bus together. In this case, you can create a transport group called the AM Bus Run. When registering children, you can assign them to one or more transport groups. This simplifies signing children in and out when transporting them to school, as you can easily filter by these transport groups.